safe, it's solvent-free, and it's in non-toxic
But
wood
they
finish,
didn't
which is
know
really
I
nice.
had something
It
they
goes
couldn't
on,
touch.
and it spreads around either with a spreader.
Ethan walked in, pausing at the sight of me ripping the letter. You okay? I smiled.
Still, it's not that costly. So sometimes making projects out of dimensional lumber for your yard or for your home, unique. Removing the excess on my bandsaw, but for all the haters out there that think I waste my scraps, check this out. Boom.
My furniture was still there, but the details were wrong. Pictures of me, gone. Some
A
vacation
third
I
layer.
wasn't
So
invited
now we're at
to.
3 layers, and again, the Z0 has not changed at all. As you're adding layers of mask,
It smooth and added another template to it to flow.